Intro to Benvenido. Hello everyone. Today's topic, let's now talk about Benvenido Lambert. Benvenido Lambera, as you have guessed, is one of the national artists for literature. So in this topic, we're going to talk about his life and his works that made it essential or that made it remarkably recognized as a symbolic and useful way of Philippine literature, right, that helped shape Philippine poetry. So in this topic, I want you to also try to understand how Benvenido Lambera has influenced and impacted Philippine literature through his different inspirations. Right, so let's begin. His parents are Timoteo Lambera, who was the pitcher of a local baseball team, and Carmen Lambera. With the age of 5, he was an orphan. Eusebia Teru, his paternal grandmother, took care of him and his older sister. After the Japanese occupation, his grandmother died, making him an orphan again at 14. At an early age, his teachers discovered his potential in writing. Educational background. He wanted to go to the University of the Philippines. However, his guardians told him to go to the University of Santo Tomas instead. Lambera entered University of Santo Tomas in 1950, embarked upon a degree in journalism in the university's Faculty of Philosophy and Letters. He studied Spanish but made English his major preoccupation. He graduated he graduated cum laude in 1954, then went back to Lipa and became an English high school teacher. Later on, he left for an editing job in Olongapo but eventually got fired. He went back to Manila to study education at the Far Eastern University. Later on, he pursue further studies in the United States. He returned to Manila and taught at Holy Ghost College. He eventually taught in Ateneo and joined his friend Tino in the English department. He was awarded the National Artist of Literature in 2006. In 2002, the Varsitarian awarded him the Parangal Hagbong. In 1998, he got the Gawad Cultural Center of the Philippines for the Arts. Lambera was a Ramon Magsaysay Awardee for Journalism, Literature, and Creative Communication in 1992. In 1975, Lambera's work, Tunog sa Lipa at Iba Pang Tula, earned him a special prize in the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards of Literature. Benvenido Lambera, as a poet, introduced Bagay poetry, a landmark aesthetic tendency that has helped change the vernacular poetic tradition. So in this point, we are going to take a look at one of the many works of Benvenido Lambera. So Benvenido Lambera is a poet which has introduced Bagay poetry. He has bagged several awards and this includes Varsitarian Award at Parangal Dagawad, Cultural Center of the Philippines for the Arts, the Ramon Magsaysay Awardee for Journalism, Literature, and Active Communication, and a special prize in the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards for Literature. Here is one of the move to the lyrics works, Benvenido Lambera. Here is one of move to the lyrics works by Benvenido Lambera. Sadness, sweet little songs I make, tunes so pure and full of love. When lovers are timed and mute, I give them voice, I make them bold. Once I bid a word to come and help me put together a poem from far and near, from wherever the word brought the poem one. Each word I painstakingly refine and wash the improvised tongue. I soothe and salve the cry of pain. I banish any trace of tears. But sadness I cannot send away its little waves that of lips. Love and leave the shore of the heart. This moment I whispered next storm. Benvenido Labera as a poet introduced Bagay poetry, a landmark aesthetic tendency that has helped change the vernacular poetic tradition.